Okay, grade 12, let's look at this question. They say that the sum of n terms in a sequence is given by Sn is equal to n squared plus 2n minus 1, and they want us to find T25. So they want us to find T25. So to answer this type of questions, how can we find term number 25 using the sum of n terms? So there's a formula that says Tn it's equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So now to find where there's n, we're going to substitute 25 because we are looking for T25. So this will be equals to S of 25 terms minus the sum of 25 terms minus 1. So which is just 24. I'm just gonna remove this and write that as 24. So when you take the sum of 25 terms, you minus the sum of 25 terms, 24 terms. The answer that you get is going to be T25. So this tells you that first thing first, we need to first calculate the sum of 25 terms. So when we calculate this, where there's n, we need to put 25. So this will be 25 squared plus 2 into 25, then minus 1. Therefore, the sum of 25 terms is equal. So we need to punch this on the calculator. This gives us 674. Then we say the sum of 24 terms is equals to, where there's n, we need to put 24. So this will be 24 squared plus 2 into 24 minus 1. So now what is the sum of 24 terms? The sum of 24 terms is 623. So now this tells us that T25 will be equals to, we need to substitute that 674 minus 623. So now when you have it like that, the answer that you get is going to be your term 25. So when we subtract these two numbers, the difference of these two numbers is just 51. So when you have it like this, ladies and gents, you've answered the question. So the question wanted us to find T25. We use the Sn formula. So the most important thing for you to remember is that Tn is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. And that's it for this lesson.